working with the calendar. So you may notice that my calendar is horizontal on my screen. Some of you may have yours vertical because um, Outlook updated to MS 11, and with that, this functionality was on your left side. I didn't like mine like that, so what I did is I went to File, went to Options, Advanced, and under Outlook panes, I unchecked Show Apps in Outlook and I clicked OK. When I clicked OK, what happened is it required me to close Outlook for that functionality to take place. When I reopened, this is what I got. So this works for me. You might like yours on the left, up to you, but I've just given you a tip free. So we're going to go into calendar and we have our file, home, send or receive folder, view, help, and Acrobat. These are our tabs on the ribbon. If we go to send and receive, we see the send and receive group. We have a download group. We have preferences. Folder, we have new calendar. We can copy the calendar. We can add or share calendars. And this is where you can do some upgrading in the calendar properties. View, you can change how the calendar looks on your screen. You can have it to just preview. You can view settings and also adjust in here as well. In the arrangement group, it gives you the functionality to change it to one day, a work week, month, or you can schedule a view and time scale. You can say how much space for each, um, how it looks on your calendar. Right now, mine is set to an hour. You can change the spacing. You can also change how the layout looks. Right now, mine is minimized. You can do normal, and it gives you the calendar by month here, but then you still have this optional schedule view over here. If I go to work week, you see we still have the options. You can close this down to give you more space on your screen. We have You can have the reading pane at the bottom as well. Right now I have mine to off. You have your folder pane normal, and you have your to-do bar as well. So I'm going to go back to home. We're going to create a new appointment, and I'm just going to say meeting new students. I want to meet them at 6 o'clock on the 16th. I'm going to change this in my calendar to remind me like 3 hours before. I'm going to mark it as busy in my calendar. I'm going to categorize it so I know it's and put high importance, and I also want to put it as private because I don't need anybody to know what I'm doing at that time. This in here, if you wanted to add somebody, invite attendees, you can use this function here, schedule assistant, to add attendees. You can add a room. You have auto pick, so it automatically requires whoever you're referred to in the body of the email. So I'm going to add myself, require me to be there. I could have said it was optional. And when I go across, I see both of us have nothing booked for that day. So go back to meetings. And in the body of the meeting, now I'm getting tired of typing. So I'm going to use the dictate function over here. Hello, hello. This is a reminder to send an Outlook invitation to all of our students who are new to the course. Thank you. Well, you can see there is a bit of miscommunication happening there, but you have that option if you wanted to use voice activation to create a message. There's also a time tracker here and my templates. Again, we can create templates even for the calendar view. We can insert pictures or a signature if we wanted to. Like I said, we can attach a file to this. We can insert a Outlook item, business card, insert table, pictures, icons. We can even add links, etc. to your meeting. We can go to draw. We can format the text. So if you didn't like how this looked, which I really do not, so it's coming from my other Outlook account. That's all right. So we have that. And what I noticed with this one, you can also have it as a reoccurring option, or you can just delete the action because you decided I really don't want to. So you can cancel the invitation just easily. Save and close, and we're done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.